Hello and welcome back. We have a divine design prepared for Spooktober. Follow along with us and impress your friends with this cosmic angel nail. We've already built out our nail using natural set. If you'd like to see the full in-depth tutorial, please click on the link on the screen. We're going to start off with SNS UV GelStar number 161 and NOS 15. Link to all the products will be in the description below as well. Apply a layer avoiding the cuticle line. Cure the nails for 30 seconds. Apply 2 layers and cure for 30 seconds each time. Now using the other GelStar color on the rest of the nails. There is a slight difference between the color. The slight difference in tone makes the nails look visually impactful. One has a pearl undertone and the other one is a nude. To start out the design portion, we'll be using SNS DOLO. I'm going to start by taking out 4 colors: red, purple, green, and white. Shake all the bottles thoroughly and unscrew the top while keeping the brush inside of the bottle. Arrange the colors in a line and make sure you have plenty of paper towel ready on the side. I recommend starting with blue or purple color first and then use a white color in between and then follow with a green. But this is completely up to you and you can pick and choose which order you like to do this in. Whenever using a white color in between 2 darker colors, it brings the colors together. Okay, let's start. Apply a layer of DOLO base. Avoid the cuticle line. Quickly apply the color I'm showing in the pattern here. Quickly dab the second color onto the nail. And add the third and fourth color, just like I'm doing here. DOLO dries pretty quick, so you can move on to the second portion of the design. We're using color 76 to create a beautiful gold shimmer in between the DOLO colors. It really brings together that galactic look. I'm going to use GelStar top coat to adhere a few diamonds to the middle of the nail. It makes the look really pop. I also use the top coat to seal the rest of the nails. Use the SNS Hybrid UV LED lamp for 60 seconds and we're all done. Look at how gorgeous those look. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Hit the bell icon to stay up to date on all of our latest uploads. Bye for now. Our next contest starts on October 1st and ends on October 31st. Spooktober. Hashtag I love SNS. We are looking for Halloween themed nails, something that really makes the costume pop, or some unique designs on their own. Make sure to use hashtag I love SNS and tell us which products and colors were used in the design in the post description.